So one day you're still a kid in the eyes of the law, and then bam bam, you're a full-fledged adult. This is a momentous occasion, and turning 18 in the United States also comes with its own set of privileges here on Xbox Live. Now you're in control of what content you can view, play, and download, and all you need to do is promote your child account to adult status. It's very simple, and it's the subject of this episode of Xbox 101. Simply tap the guide button and scroll right to settings. Now select account management. There it is! Do you see it? Take a deep breath and savor the moment. And click A on Promote Child Account. Now, all you need to do is follow the step-by-step instructions. This includes entering new payment information. You may be an adult, but a free-for-all Xbox Live spending spree with your parents' credit card is not in the cards. Sorry. With all that done, the next time you sign in to Xbox Live, you'll have full control of your now adult Xbox Live account. Congratulations. We'd like to thank J62107 for suggesting this show idea. Now, if you have a show idea, email us at askix@xbox.com. And remember, please include your gamer tag. And be sure to check out the Inside Xbox archive as well. A few minutes there could save you hours of research. Thanks for watching Inside Xbox.